So I've just preheated my oven to 250 degrees Celsius, and I have put a baker's stone in there as well. So I'm going to open up my oven so you can take a quick look. So I have my baker's stone, and then above that I've just put a tray. So we're trying to recreate a pizza oven, a traditional pizza oven. So with your paddle, you're going to put it all the way down nice and flat, give it a jiggle, and then as you're jiggling, we're going to pull it towards us, okay? Close the door, and we're going to cook this for about 7 minutes and then give it a check. When your pizza comes out of the oven, you want to transfer it onto a cooling rack just for like 30 seconds. That's going to prevent your base from getting soggy. So now it's been 30 seconds, we can transfer our pizza onto our serving plate. And traditionally, the Italians would put a little bit more oil on, but we're going to be putting some smoked oil to give it that flavor that it's just come out of our wood-fired oven. And at this stage, you can also add any additional extras. And there you have it, guys.